Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel. I am HollyLynora, and today's video, you already know, you already saw the thumbnail. You probably heard me scream it when I got this in the mail, but just in case you missed all three of those, it is another Sephora haul. This is still stuff from the VIB sale when we got 20% off if you are a Rouge member, which I am. So I will stop blabbing on. We will get into the video. But first, if you are new here, hello, welcome. If you are a part of my family already, thank you again for hanging out with me. I always appreciate that. Always love talking to you guys. But if you are new, go ahead and subscribe. Join the family. Ring the bell and hit that thumbs up button. Let's get started. First, what I want to show you is actually not from Sephora. I ordered this from a separate website. I was going to order it from Sephora, but then I remembered their shipping's taking a little bit long. No shade, but skipped on over to the actual website of this brand. I got the new Huda Beauty, what are these called? Diamond Balm Sparkly Lip Balms. I got the shade Seductress and I got Negligee. So let's open these bad boys and take a look. These beautiful babies will run you $25 a pop. They are beautiful packaging. This guy is Seductress. Why can't I talk right now? Seductress. I swear I'm not an idiot. This is what she looks like. Let me focus it. That is freaking beautiful. I don't think the camera is doing this bad boy justice. If you can see how sparkly and shiny she is, oh my gosh. And you know what? We'll give her a little swatcheroo. Seductress. She is a balm, so I don't know how this is going to show up. Do you guys see that little shine right there? I can see it, definitely. Okay, so it looks like the tube and the way that it is packaged and the way she did the actual lipstick, it looks like it is going to be more than what it is. So this is just a lip balm with some shimmer, which is okay. I don't hate it. I haven't even put it on my lips yet. So that's all I'm going to say about that one. That was Seductress. And this guy is the Negligee, and we will swatch this one too. This one's a little more purple, maybe has a little bit of brown undertones in there. Let's see. Okay, so that one, man, I really hope you can see those. So it's pretty clear that these are balms with a little bit of shimmer slash glitter in there, so be aware of that before you spend $25 a pop on these. But I'm not saying I dislike them. I haven't even put them on my lips yet. Those are just swatches, and I don't much like to judge a product by its swatch. Okay guys, if you have been watching me, you know the drill. This bad boy has not been open. I open them with you, of course. I would never do that without you. So let's go in. Just to kind of give you guys an estimate on how long it's been, this sale ended on May 1st, and it is now the 23rd of May. So that tells you how long it's been. I understand what's going on in the world. I'm not dissing them. I'm just saying I don't really remember what's in this box. So it is like Christmas for both of us. Let's go. Ooh, this is a good one. So excited. Whew. Okay, so I've got, you know what, let me just show you. First up, we have the big pack of the Peace Out Acne Dots. I don't have acne, but every now and then, once a month, I get a breakout or two just on random places on my face. It's really not a huge deal, but when they do come, it is really, really handy to just pop these on at nighttime after I've washed my makeup off and go to sleep with it. Half the time I forget that it's even there until I'm like in the morning and I'm like, what is on? Oh yeah. You could honestly wear this through the day. You could wear this to the grocery store if you're that kind of girl. Like, you really can't even see them, and they do make a difference. I notice a definite difference when I apply these and then sleep in one, take it off in the morning. Whatever bump, pimple, zit that comes looks so much better after I've left one of these on. And this guy is actually a repurchase, so I went and I grabbed this little dude to show you exactly what I mean. So you get little slips like this, and literally they are just little dots. This is a sticker-like thing. You peel it off, stick it on your face. It's not budging. Like I said, I sleep in them. Take it off in the morning, you're good to go, girl. I really highly recommend these. Next up, oh, the box got a little squished. This is another repurchase. This is Tatcha's Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Their boxes are always so cool. But this stuff is great. It is like the Farsali 24 karat rose gold mist. Put on your primer, spritz a little bit of this on your face, go in with foundation, concealer, blah, 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 and you have dewy, luminous skin. It works wonderfully. I love Tatcha. If I didn't think it worked as amazingly as it does, I would not have repurchased this Tatcha product. It's $54, I believe, 50 something. Anyway, it's up there, but it is so worth it. Next up, I have two sets of falsies. These are from the Sephora collection. I loved the Sephora falsies that I bought in one of the other hauls, and they were on clearance for $5. So I was like, let me stock up. So these are the two that I purchased, $5 each. I cannot say that enough. They are gorgeous. Crush number 6 and Original Hipster number 24. Next up, this is a product by Kwan. Kwan. His name's fun to say, okay. I have not tried a Kwan product before, and I thought, well, why not while I'm getting it for 20% off. So this is the Neo Blush in the shade Pink Sand. This is the packaging that's very, very sleek and sophisticated looking. Wow. And this is what she looks like. I don't know if you can see, but there is shimmer in there, shimmer and glitter. She is beautiful. Moving right along, we have another Kwan product. This is the Neo Bronzer. This guy is in the shade Sunrise Light. Once again, we have more shimmer, but I love the ombre effect that he puts on his products. That's beautiful. I hope y'all can see that. Next, we have a Jouer product. I also have never bought or played with one of their products before, so get ready for some playing with new makeup videos, guys. This is the packaging. That is beautiful, super classy looking. And these are the colors. This is a blush right here, and this is a bronzer. Wait a second, I am reading the package, and it says a blush bouquet. So this is 2 blushes. Well, that's what it says they are, but it can say lipstick on it and you can use it for whatever you want. So that's what we're going to do. That was really pretty. Can't wait to use that. Moving right along, we have Kwan. He is up again. Y'all can tell I went on a little Kwan kick. This is the Etherealist Skin Illuminating Foundation. I love, love, love trying new foundations, and I thought, why not give this bougie dude a try? This is the packaging. What a pretty bottle. Wow. Shade Medium EF7. I hope that works. Skin Illuminating. You guys know I love a glow. Enough said. I wonder if it's full coverage. Ah well, we'll find out. Next up, I got the... This product is funny. Okay, let me show you the product. This is the Fresh Rose Petal Soft Lip Cream. I love a good lip balm. I've got the Tatcha lip balms, the Bite Beauty lip balms. They're fabulous. The Fresh lip balms. This is the packaging for this. Really cute. Oh, it looks so soft and buttery. Wow. Smells like fresh products. Anyway, the funny story with this is I got an email today from Sephora saying, is your fresh rose lip balm getting a little low? Need to restock? I just got it in the mail today, Sephora. Whatever. I thought it was funny. Like, what are y'all doing? Anyways, no shade. Just thought it was a little funny side note. Next up, I think, yeah, the rest of these are all Natasha Denona products. Okay, I did go a little bit crazy. Don't tell on me. But these are, first of all, you guys know how much I love the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude lipsticks. I rave about them all the time. You already know I pair them with the Pat McGrath Opulus lip glosses. Like, so sorry if I went a little crazy and bought some more. I bought 4 of these. This is, okay, we've got Judith, Sammy, Sava, and Laron. Oh, these colors. Oh my gosh. I'm already so excited. This line of lipstick is the creamiest, most butteriest, most the best lipstick, I am telling you. This is Judith right here. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. This guy is Laron. He's beautiful as well. Welcome, welcome home. No, I'm kidding. But really. See how excited I get with makeup? Oh my gosh. This little guy is Sava. Has a little bit of pink in her. Love it. A little less brown than the other two. A little more pinky. We are going to have so much fun playing with these. And this little guy here. Ooh, he's a dark. Who was it? Who was I talking with? When I was like, what do you think of a red lip? Well, we'll go with, I want to do a red lip, but also just maybe a darker, more mysterious lip. Check out this guy. He's pretty dark and beautiful. Wow. Sammy. Let's give him a little swatcheroo. See how creamy that is? Oh my gosh. This is ridiculous. Wow. I can't wait to try these bad boys. You guys have to help me figure out which one, what do we play with first? I'm so confused and so excited yet so overwhelmed at the same time. Okay. Natasha Denona again. This is her Face Glow Primer. I love a good primer. You know, you gotta hold on to that base real good. And it is face glowing. This is the packaging. Can't smell her, but this is what she looks like. Very thick. Maybe I'm heading somewhere with this Natasha stuff. We might have a full face of Natasha coming up very soon. What is your favorite Natasha eyeshadow palette? It can be the big ones or the mini ones. Let me know down below. Somebody also mentioned doing a full face of Fenty. Yes, ma'am. Let me get on that. I gotta order some stuff, but that sounds so exciting. Okay, second to last, this is a Natasha Denona Mark Your Liquid Lips lip gloss, I believe. Nope, it's matte. Packaging, that looks beautiful. And it is a matte in the shade Giselle. Oh my gosh, Natasha is just killing it. Let's give her a swatch. That is super gorgeous. Oh my gosh. That is a beautiful, beautiful matte color. Let me wipe off my hand. Okay guys, we are down to the last product, bottom of the barrel. What is it? Of course, it's Natasha Denona. This is her Sculpt and Glow face palette. Okay, I'm not even gonna show you how excited I am. Oh, the packaging though. Look at that. I don't want to blind you guys. Sorry. Look at that. This is beautiful. Ooh, our faces are going to be too snatched with this bad boy. Oh my gosh. That is absolutely beautiful. These are powders. This guy under this flap. They're your cream products. Oh my gosh. Wow. So we've got Japanese pressed powder, contour sculpting powder, and all over glow shimmer in powder. So then we have a highlighting cream, contouring cream, face glow cream shimmer. This is so gorgeous. Oh. Okay guys, that was, I think, the second to last haul that I have. I'm still waiting on one more package and I'm still going to haul that. Don't you worry. But I'm serious. I really do. Like, please help me on what you would like to see first, what I should play with first. Kevin a Kwan or Natasha Denona. Well, like, we've got options, dudes. We've got options. Okay, it is time to wrap up this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun opening everything. I'm telling you, it's like Christmas every single time. Or like my birthday, which is next month, by the way. Some of you guys already knew that from the YouTube live, huh? Anyway, okay, so thank you so much for watching. Once again, if you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell, hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.